Welcome to Vlogmas 2022. So excited about Vlogmas this year. I have a goal of bringing you a video every single day for the month of December. It may be a full length video or it may be a short, but stay tuned for the ride. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, share it with others, and stay tuned for the rest of Vlogmas.
You're doing a vlog today?
Yeah, say hi to the Vlogmas.
Hello. Merry Eric, come here. Come here, Emmy. Watch this. Oh, wait, keep it. You ready for it? Here, watch this. Watch this. Say it. Say grandpa. Say grandpa. He just said it. He just said it for mama.
So
Hold on. Okay, hold it up. All right. There you go. Right there.
Lisa, you don't be taking it yet.
Hey, get over here.
All right, viva Mexico!
All right. Happy
Merry
birthday.
Christmas!
Oh, you want to hit that table like that? Oh, yeah. My paragraph out.
Who are you? What did it say?
I got time today.
Abby be good.
Yeah, Paige got it.
She does. Like that. She just got something you also argue with your What?
Tamia, okay?
No hands.
Bikini.
Yes. Okay, go. Come on. Everybody know that? Come on, Ariella. It's like something that you would put on food, but
Seasoning.
it's spicy.
Pepper.
It's the sauce. Oh yes, it's
Pepper.
Okay.
I'd rather use your hands.
Come
That's that
on.
point.
She's not saying.
When you show can't use your hand to do pepper.
Yeah. Say something to the
Follow my
YouTube.
Instagram, maybe.talent, maybe.talon.
What, Vic?
I'm breaking.
Oh, I'm breaking.
We do rock paper scissors break.
Oh, no.
Bro, you can't just say you break. This is how you do
Best 2 out of 3.
it.
Bro, best 2.
What you got, baby?
That was an accident.
Oh, these.
You better hit it too. All right, little spread. See what you got, Tyler.
Orange.
Vic, really? Orange in the corner pocket, Tyler? In the side pocket? Let's see. Solids.
feel what you're going through, terrible.
Ooh, those in their 40s are killing the game. They know what they want. They sure know what they don't want. They look good. It's scary. If they didn't tell you they were in their 40s, you wouldn't know.